Welcome back to the Fix Your Apps channel. If you're tired of a slow, cluttered device, this video is for you. We're counting down the 5 best apps clean on Android to help you reclaim storage and speed. It's time to optimize your mobile life. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have the Phone Cleaner for Android app. This powerful tool acts as an all-in-one phone and storage cleaner designed to keep your device optimized and clutter-free. It has a solid rating of 4.5 stars across over 97,000 reviews. Three standout features make this app particularly useful. Phone Cleaner with AI. It uses cutting-edge AI to detect and clean up old screenshots, duplicate photos, and large files. Scan risky apps. The built-in security scanner checks your installed apps for any potential threats or unusual behavior. Delete junk files. It performs a deep scan to remove residual data, obsolete APKs, and temporary files, making your phone faster. When you open the app, you land immediately on the home menu where the main actions are clearly laid out. A large button invites you to press here to clean option, the simplest path to optimization. For a more in-depth check, you can navigate to the full scan option. The delete junk option takes you right to the core cleaning feature. Finally, a small settings icon top left lets you customize your preferences, though the default settings are well optimized for most users. At number 4 on our list, we have the System Maintenance Powerhouse, SD Maid 1 System Cleaner, rated at 4.2 stars across over 269,000 reviews. SD Maid's main purpose is to help you keep your Android device clean and tidy by offering a collection of tools to manage apps and files. It tackles the digital clutter that Android often leaves behind, such as logs, crash reports, and leftover files from uninstalled apps. Let's look at 3 standout features. First, it provides a full-fledged file explorer, allowing you to browse your entire device and manipulate files directly. Second, the app can detect files formerly belonging to uninstalled apps, ensuring a truly clean system. And third, it offers actual app cleaning to remove expendable files, going beyond basic cache deletion. Now let's quickly look at the app's design as we click through the interface. Upon opening the app, the home menu gives you an immediate overview of your system's status. Tapping the 3 lines icon in the top left reveals the main navigation drawer, providing access to all the app's powerful tools. The middle screen presents key maintenance options like Corpse Finder and other functions designed to optimize your storage. To begin a deep clean, you simply locate the prominent Scan option button. This action initiates the process of identifying all the files you might want to remove, helping you reclaim valuable storage space. At number 3 on our list, we have the Phone Cleaner AI Cleaner app. This app is designed to be your all-in-one solution for managing storage and maintaining device performance. With a strong 4.6 star rating based on 429k reviews, it's a popular choice for users needing a phone cleaner and file manager combined. Its key features focus on efficiency and control. File Manager helps you easily browse, find, and organize all your files and folders in one place. Junk Cleaner scans your device to clear all junk, residual obsolete APKs, and temporary files, freeing up storage. Battery Manager, though not detailed in this version, typically provides options to monitor and optimize battery usage for better endurance. Let's take a quick look at the user interface. After opening the app, the first thing you see is the home menu, which provides a clear overview of your device's current status and performance options. Next, tapping the junk files option immediately takes you to the deep cleaning scan. showing you exactly what can be safely removed. From there, you can move to the process manager, which lists all running apps, allowing you to view and manage background activity. For an even deeper clean, the AI cleanup option uses advanced algorithms to find and list unnecessary large files or duplicate photos for easy one-tap deletion. Finally, the settings icon at the top right gives you access to customize your experience, manage permissions, and check for updates. At number 2 on our list, we have AVG Cleaner, Storage Cleaner. This app, with a 4.1 star rating from over 1 million reviews, is a cleaning tool that has helped nearly 50 million people worldwide tidy up their devices. Its main purpose is to give you more storage space by eliminating junk and automatically finding bad quality or duplicate photos. The app is packed with features, but here are 3 standouts. Clean your device. You can clean your device with a single tap of a button, performing a quick device scan and analysis. Quick Clean. This feature is designed to rid your device of junk, including junk files and leftover data. Clean Storage. It helps you free up more storage space by removing junk files, uninstalling unused apps, and deleting unwanted photos and videos. Once you install and open the app, you're greeted by the Home menu, which provides an overview of your device's current state. From here, you can tap the sleep mode option to manage and stop background apps, thereby improving performance and saving battery. Next, explore the tips option to get personalized advice on how to further optimize your device and save space. For immediate action, the clean option launches the main cleaning process, the one-tap analysis we mentioned to start clearing out junk. Finally, the 3 lines icon top left opens the main side menu, giving you access to all other sections like detailed analyses, settings, and media overviews. The smooth, clear layout makes it easy to keep your phone in top shape. At number 1 on our list is CCleaner, Phone Cleaner. This is the ultimate Android cleaner brought to you from the makers of the world's most popular PC and Mac cleaning software. With a strong 4.2 star rating and over 2 million reviews, its main purpose is to clean up your phone storage, help you reclaim space, and monitor your system. Here are 3 standout features. Free up space, analyze your storage, and easily uninstall unwanted apps. Delete junk, safely remove unnecessary files like cache, old downloads, and browser history. Deep clean storage. This includes cleaning your photo library by finding and removing similar, old, or poor quality images. Now, let's take a quick look at the app's clean and intuitive user interface. Starting on the Home menu, you see a clear overview of your device's current status and available space. Tapping the 3 lines icon at the top opens up the main side menu where you can access the full suite of options. Clicking the Quick Clean option begins the immediate removal of junk files and residual data. The Sleep Mode option is where you can optimize your device performance by putting background apps into hibernation. Finally, the Customize option allows you to personalize the app's behavior and choose your preferred color theme. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.